This video is about how to set up fixed content inspection. Let's check the printing template first. There are 5 fixed contents on this label. 4 are texts and 1 is logo. Back to the Bell C. We can add pattern match module to perform the inspection. The module can also be added by clicking the Analyze text on the top. We click Analyze text. The analysis is done, and we can see that it's a complete analysis of the label content. We only need to save 5 modules for the fixed content. Delete the other to pattern match boxes. Right-clicking the mouth. Choose Delete. OK, done. Next is the description of the pattern match module attribute. There is an option on the right side called Number of Content. This attribute is used to fill in the number of content lines in the detection area of the pattern match module. If it is text in the detection area, then needs to enter the specific lines of content. If it is the logo in the detection area, then needs to enter 0 in here. For example, we can use one detection box to inspect the 2 lines of content here. Then we need to enter 2 in the number of content. The NG blemish area will be auto-recalculated by the software. Click it to enable the recalculation. The whole pattern match module is all properly set up. Start Bell C to inspect. Go to Bartender to print 2 correct labels. Then manually simulate a blemish on the 3rd label and print. OK, now the Bell C has inspected the blemish. The first 2 labels are correct, and the 3rd one is an NG label. This is how we use the pattern match in Bell C to inspect the fixed content on the label.